Good afternoon everyone. My name is Ashish Mishra and I am from class 6D. After visiting the goat cheese factory, now we are going to visit the Bhagya Laxmi milk dairy. So let's go.
Hello, my name is Vihan and my name is Ripi Jadhav. We study in New Horizons College School, Vasant Lawn. Today we came in the cheese factory. We saw many things, many machines. We also went to Bhagya Laxmi farmhouse where we saw many cows through which the milking was done and many other processes. We also ate various pastas and pizzas made from the goat cheese. We also received a hamper and we are really excited to see what is in the hamper. We are very thankful. We are very thankful. Good afternoon. My name is Swara Musare and today I had visited this goat cheese factory. I really like that they make pure products from pure milk, which is 100% cow milk. And first, they showed us the presentation about how their company works, how the cheese is made and other dairy products. Then we visited the goat cheese factory and there with all safety measures we saw how to make cheese. Then we had lunch break and after that we visited the farm, also known as Bhagya Laxmi dairy farm. There we saw all the healthy cows and how the milk is produced from them. And I really thank our school, our teachers and this principal and our goat cheese factory. Thank you.
Finally, I visited the Bhagya Laxmi dairy farm. We saw the milking process. We saw most of the cows, which are over 3,000. We also saw the diet that they are being fed, which is an alpha-alpha diet containing large amounts of calcium and protein. We also tasted the fresh milk. So now let's go for the evening snacks.